Listen carefully. Long before stress had a name, long before sleep was measured, or the brain was studied. There was a people who understood the human body differently, the Kayuna. They did not separate mind and body. To them, fatigue was not a weakness, it was a message. And among them lived a young girl, Anaya. Deep in the jungle, where the air is heavy and alive, where every sound has meaning, a young gatherer began to change. Anaya watched him. At first, no one noticed. He walked a little slower, spoke a little less, stared into space more often. But days passed, and his body began to give in. His shoulders dropped, his gaze became heavy, his breath shorter. At night, he no longer recovered. He slept, but did not rest. As if his body refused to repair itself. What was most strange was not the fatigue. It was this constant sensation, invisible but present, like a tension under the skin. As if his body was ready to escape, but never able to stop. Today, we recognize this feeling. Nervous fatigue, nervous system overload, chronic stress. But he did not understand. And that is often the hardest part, not knowing why you are running out of energy. Then one morning, Anaya decided to take him to Ixchel, the healer. She asked almost no questions. She observed. For a long time, silence filled the space. Then she simply said, "You are not tired. You are depleted." And those words changed everything. Ixchel explained, when the body lacks what it needs, it cannot repair itself. And when it stops repairing, stress takes over. This is also the modern key. Fatigue equals often lack plus overload, not just mental exhaustion. Today, many people try to fight fatigue by stimulating the body with coffee, sugar, or constant activity, but this is not restoration. She led him into the forest. The sun slowly passed through the leaves. The air was calm, almost still. Then she stopped in front of a tree, slim, resilient, covered in small green leaves, Moringa. She placed her hand on its bark and said, "This tree does not give strength. It restores what was lost." Inside the hut, the ritual began. The sound of crushed leaves, the fine texture of powder, the soft warmth of water, the smell, green, deep, alive. Ixchel showed him exactly how to do it. Morning. a small amount of moringa to nourish the body deeply. Evening, a light infusion to calm without forcing. Every day, without exception, because the body rebuilds slowly. But she warned him, if you look for a quick effect, you will remain tired. At first, nothing, and it was frustrating, but he continued. Then something changed, subtly. His sleep became deeper, his body less tense, his mind clearer. Then, one morning, he woke up without fatigue. Today, we know that Moringa supports cellular energy, reduces inflammation, helps the body manage stress, exactly what he was experiencing. Most people today try to gain energy, but they forget one thing. You don't create energy, you restore it. Many stimulate their body with coffee, sugar, or constant stress, but this is not recovery. The young man did not become faster, nor stronger. He became stable, and sometimes that is all the body truly needs.